Hey everyone, good morning. I just have a few updates to give you about our class. I did make an announcement yesterday regarding how the rest of the semester will work. I think you already have a sense of this, but I do just want to give you some brief reminders. After doing the survey on SurveyMonkey, a lot of you responded. I've decided that at least for the quizzes for the remainder of the semester, the quizzes you will be given until noon on Tuesday to complete the quizzes. If you need longer, you can still have it, but I hope that making them available at 5:45 on Monday evening and giving you until noon will be enough time. So that's the quizzes. You still have a discussion post and analysis, but those are only by groups. So just because I've created an assignment that says analysis 3, you only have that due if you're in group 1. I've created the assignment now. It will remain in place until the end of the semester when everybody has theirs due. But just because it's there for you and says it's due, it does not mean you have anything due until that actual week. You're still going by groups. I just want to clarify that. In terms of the second paper, I did decide to include a second paper, but I decided to shorten the length. That's the compromise I decided to reach. So I've posted some prompts in the paper folder that you'll notice they are a lot shorter. There's not as much detail in the prompts. And so if you want to discuss what you're going to write your paper about for the second paper, we can set up a Zoom meeting, and I would highly encourage you to do that if you're unsure about what to write about or if you're worried about it. I did post a note there on the announcement that if you're absolutely concerned that you cannot write a second paper, then please let me know. We can come up with an alternative assignment. I would highly prefer that you do everything you can to write a second paper, but if you just can't see yourself doing it under these circumstances, please let me know and we can come up with something. And I do have that paper being due Sunday, April 26th. Again, the paper will be 3 to 5 pages. So I hope with that length, that's not to say you have to go to that length. Again, for those of you who are philosophy majors and have written a lot, 3 pages will probably not seem like much. So you are welcome to go beyond that length. But I did post the prompts. I do have the paper being due. Regarding the final exam, it will be optional for those who want to take it to improve their grade. You can. It will cover Berkeley, Hume, and Kant. I will make an announcement soon regarding when you'll need to let me know by if you want to take the exam. But basically, the way that will work is that if you're happy with the grade you have after all the grades are put in, then you will, be able to keep that grade. But if you want to improve it, you can take the exam. And our exam would take place Monday night during finals week. That I think it would be April 27th would be the first day of finals week. So that just covers some of what I had in the announcement that I posted. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. But beyond that, I want to give you a brief lecture slash explanation of some of the big ideas in today's readings on David Hume.